Hello friends, hopefully you are fine today. I got a new money website where you can mine Bitcoin very easily and freely. Welcome to leading Bitcoin mining pool, and you will earn 30 Satoshi per day for free. Don't waste your time. You have to register here, and in case if you want to reach here, how can you reach here? I will provide the link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time or any hesitation. Now first of all, I am going to show you choose your plan and start earning much more, and you can earn more and more Bitcoin from this earning platform by spending 0.1. If you can spend a 0.1 Bitcoin, then you will get 0.0032 BTC from this money platform per day and 40% of affiliate bonus. And here you can see if you can spend a 0.005, then you will get 0.00001 Bitcoin per day, and affiliate bonus is about 12%. You can order each and every plan here to get more and more Bitcoin. And here you can see last withdrawal from this mining platform. You can check also dates, time, and each and everything about this surprising and earning platform, Bitcoin mining platform. In case if you want to start your mining, you just need to paste your wallet address here, then choose your pin, then click on start mining. Your mining will start here automatically without any hesitation. You can check each and everything about this mining platform, plans, affiliate program, payouts, and FAQ, contact, upgrade your plan. All these things are very good. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you each and everything about this mining platform, earning platform. Now when you sign up and when you log in on this mining platform, you can see your money will start here automatically without any earning and plans. You can check your account ID. My plan is free, and here you can see your email address will be used to send login codes when suspicious or unusual activity is detected. You have to update your email. That's why your account will be safe on this mining platform, earning platform, and you will get 10% of affiliate bonus from this earning platform, mining platform. Now we have my financial and visitors referrals. In case if you want to get your referral link, you just need to click on referrals, and here you have no referrals yet. Share your referral link to get more. Here you will go to your referral link to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. Other person will join this website by using your link. You will earn more and more Bitcoin from this mining platform, earning platform. And my finance, you have no referral payments yet. Invite visits. You have no referral visits. You will get more and more earning from your referral, from your supporter. Hopefully you like it, you love it. FAQ option is very useful. FAQ option is such an option where you can get answer of your question, and if you have any question, you can get your answer over here. You can see what is the minimum amount for withdrawal. Minimum amount withdrawal amount is 0.002 and minimum upgrade amount is about 0.005. You can get more and more Bitcoin from this earning platform, mining platform, and make your life easier than others. Hopefully you love my video and like my video. If you like my video, then give me a thumb up, and please subscribe my channel if you want more video in future. And if you have any curious questions, you can ask me in the comment section. You can also read here our members already received 609 Bitcoins from this earning platform, mining platform.